Stay unbreakable. Understanding resilience in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the powerful phrase, stay unbreakable. This expression is not just about the words, but about the spirit of resilience and strength. So, let's dive in and understand how you can use this phrase to inspire yourself and others. Stay unbreakable is a phrase that encourages someone to remain strong and resilient, no matter how tough the situation gets. It's about having the inner strength to not be shattered or broken by challenges. When you say this phrase, you're acknowledging that life can be tough, but you're also affirming your ability, or someone else's ability, to withstand the pressures. Let's dissect the phrase a bit. 1. Stay implies continuing in the same state, or remaining steady and firm. 2. Unbreakable means incapable of being broken or destroyed. It's about being so strong that nothing can damage you. When combined, these words form a powerful message of endurance and resilience. You can use stay unbreakable in various contexts. 1. Encouraging friends and family. When someone you care about is going through a hard time, telling them to stay unbreakable is like saying, I believe in your strength. You can get through this. 2. Self-motivation. Remind yourself to stay unbreakable during personal challenges. It's a mantra that can help you maintain your strength and focus. 3. Team sports or group activities. It's a great phrase to boost morale and encourage teamwork. It says, let's remain strong together, no matter what we face. Being unbreakable doesn't mean you won't face challenges or feel emotional pain. Instead, it's about 1. Resilience, the ability to recover quickly from difficulties. 2. Strength, not just physical, but emotional and mental strength to face life's ups and downs. 3. Hope, maintaining a positive outlook, even in the face of adversity. Embracing the concept of being unbreakable helps in personal growth and in fostering strong relationships with others. Thank you for joining us to explore the profound meaning of stay unbreakable. We hope this phrase inspires you to recognize your inner strength and resilience. Remember, being unbreakable is about facing life's challenges with courage and hope. Stay strong, stay positive, and of course, stay unbreakable. See you in the next video.